Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about socio-cultural factors and their influence on businesses. Socio-cultural factors are a combination of two factors, social factors and cultural factors. When we change our behavior as a result of interacting with others, it will be called social influence. For example, everyone in your group is laughing. You might laugh too, even if you don't fully understand their jokes. Here, your behavior is influenced by others. Similarly, you purchased a particular garment or a mobile because your most of friends are buying. Here, your influence means your behavior is influenced by others. So, it will be called a social influence. And cultural influence means when our behavior is influenced by our culture. As we know, sari is deeply rooted in Indian culture. It represents our tradition, elegance. That's why I like sari so much. Here my choice is influenced by my culture, so it will be called cultural influence. And socio-cultural factors are combination of a social factor and cultural factor that influence consumer thinking, preference, wants and their buying behavior choices. So we can say that socio-cultural factor have significant influence on consumer behavior. That's why before launching any product, businesses have to do study about socio-cultural factors, because social cultural factors are very important. Now we'll see socio-cultural factors and their influence on businesses. First factor is culture. Culture has significant influence on consumer behavior. Obviously, also influence behavior of businesses. For example, in order to cater Indian culture, McDonald's changed their menu by completely removing beef and pork options because of religious restriction in India. Second is a family. Change in family size also influence consumer behavior. For example, a single man will do shopping in order to fulfill their own need. On the other hand, a family man will do shopping in order to fulfill the need of their family, in order to fulfill the need of their children. That's why before launching any product in any country, businesses have to do study about their family structure. Social class. People from different social class have different need, preference, taste and spending power. For example, upper class mainly buy luxurious car, designer cloth, middle class buy mid-range smartphone cloth, and lower class buy basic necessary goods and inexpensive cloth. And the businesses will produce good depend on their target audience. If their target audience is upper class, obviously it will produce luxurious goods and will charge a higher price. Level of education. Highly educated consumer become more analytical. They compare so many options, prioritize quality, brand value. That's why before launching any product, businesses should consider level of education of their target audience. Health consciousness. Nowadays consumers are becoming more health conscious. They are looking for healthier options, nutrition, plant based diet, organic and natural product. Accordingly, businesses has to change their product. Environmental awareness. Nowadays consumers are becoming more aware about environment. That's why businesses are launching eco friendly products. Demographics factors. Demographic factors are population size, age and gender ratio, which influence demand for businesses product. For example, in India youth ratio is very high. That's why businesses are targeting youth by producing more youth related product like a pizza, energy drink and smart watches. Next is a social media influence. Social media also influence our shopping. For example, beauty content YouTuber influence shopping of women. Economic development. Economic development also influence our demand. As GDP increase, new demand emerge. In order to fulfill increased demand of country, businesses have to do more innovation. Urbanization means people are moving from rural area to urban area. Nowadays, so many people are moving from rural area to urban area. That's why businesses launch product and services that aligned with demand of urban population. So this is all about socio-culture factors and their influence on businesses. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.